Hello guys, welcome to week 14 of our 16-week NEET goal plan. We are almost at the end of completing our week-on-week goal plan. So the ones who've done so far successfully all the week, I'm sure you much confident about your score, about your concept. The ones who are starting with us now, no problem, you have still a lot to cover, and I'm sure you will be successfully covering that based upon our weekly timetable goal. This week we are having easy topics for physics, so that gives you a lot of rest. Bio, I'm having two topics: respiration, microbes in human welfare. Respiration can give you 1 to 2 MCQ question. Microbes in human welfare will give you one MCQ question. Solid state, 2 MCQ questions could be expected here. Surface chemistry, 1 MCQ question from here. Physical world, units and measurements will give you 1 MCQ question. I'm sure many of you must have completed both of these topics, physical world and units and measurements, but try doing some MCQs as they would be base of some chapters in physics. So let's see our daily schedule. So respiration, 3 days. You will divide the topic in 3 days. You will read and practice MCQs, 50 MCQs from each of 50 MCQs on each of these days. Microbes in human welfare, again 3 days. You will do 50 MCQs each, so 150 MCQs of each of these chapters. A solid state I have allotted 3 days. Surface chemistry I have allotted 2 days. So no chemistry on the 6th day. You have one time slot free. Physical world I have allotted 1 day. You should be able to complete it in 1 day's time. Units and measurements I have allotted 2 days. If you can finish in 1 day's time, great, best. That gives you more time to do something else. Now if you see the 4th day, the last slot, the physics slot is empty. In the 5th day, the physics slot is empty, and also in the 6th day, the physics slot is empty. So in all of these days, you will be doing something which is a backlog of any of the weeks, physics, chemistry, bio, whatever backlog is pending. Either you can do the backlog, or if you have already done, you have no backlog at all, then practice some papers. Practice some numerical, practice some past papers, practice some question papers of any topic or even the entire subject. We have almost completed everything. We're just 2 weeks away, 4 topics away. So you can practice questions based upon an entire subject. Okay, make best utilization of this time. Do not waste the free slots that you have. Okay, try practicing an entire subject. So here you can practice physics, for example, here you can practice bio, here you can practice chem, and here another concept. 7th day we will leave it for revision. We will do revision of the 13 week chapters, and also we will revise what we did in the 14th week as well. So 50 MCQs bio, stick to that plan, 45 MCQs of chem and 15 MCQs of physics. Our MCQ number remains the same, but you have a lot of free slot. As I said, make the best utilization of this free time. So that's it for week 14. We have 2 more weeks to go, and then we are almost completing, at least learning the concepts and doing chapter wise MCQs. Good luck. See you in the next week.